how's it going? And today I'm going to install a blow-off valve onto my rear engine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut a hole into this pipe and then add on a piece of metal that goes to a flange, and then my blow-off valve will bolt up to it. I need a blow-off valve real bad on this engine because I'm making over 25 pounds of boost now, 27 and a half to be exact. So it's gotta get air out when I let off the throttle. I keep blowing off the pipe. So I do have a blow-off valve. It is on a pipe currently. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to grind out that weld, get it off, and then I will be able to put a hole in that pipe and then weld it on. So first I have to do is take off that off the turbo and get all those rubbers off, and then I can make a hole where I want it to go. There we go. So what I'm doing now is I'm grinding off the pipe that is welded to the 2.5 inch pipe, and I'm going to reuse it. So what I'm doing is I'm just grinding out the weld and then breaking off the actual pipe that is welded on, and then I can reuse that onto mine. All right, I cut off my blow-off valve from my other pipe, and this is the pipe I'm currently using on my rear engine on my MX-3. So I'm gonna make that made up really nice, clean up that metal, and then I'll be able to weld it on. So now it's time to cope my pipe to fit perfectly. So once I put the hole in, all I gotta do is tack a couple sides, and then I can bog it on. But this is time consuming, so I have to basically do a little bit of grinding, then place it on top, make sure it's going in the right direction, and basically do it until it mates perfectly. Okay, I've got a really good fit going on. So what I'm gonna do is clean it up. Gotta sand this, make sure it's all clean. You gotta get aluminum as clean as you possibly can before you weld it. And I'll do this side as well, and then I can weld it together, and then I should be good to go. Sweet, so now I'm going to use some 320, scuff everything up, and then I'll be able to tack her on and then do a continuous weld along the entire thing. Should be fun. Now I gotta hole saw the puppy out, and then I'll be good to start tacking this thing on. All right, there's my joint I gotta weld. It's looking awesome. I've got it all cleaned up with 380 grit. So I'm pretty stoked. I'm gonna weld her up. Hopefully it goes smooth. Welding aluminum is different because you have to make sure the metal is very clean or it will not weld at all. It's very difficult to weld aluminum. Got her all welded up. This is my first time doing aluminum, so that's not too bad. Pretty happy with that. It's all sealed up 100%. So now I'm ready to put it all back together. Now I've got a T here and a small vacuum line. So what I have to do is I have to tap in to my vacuum system and have the center one go to my blow-off valve right there. All right, I got everything tightened down. I have the vacuum line on to the blow-off valve, and I've got it tied into my vacuum line system. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put zip ties around this so it won't have boost leaks. Same with over there. And then I'm gonna warm up the car and see if it's gonna do choo-choo noises. Okay, I'm gonna let it warm up and then I'm gonna get it two-stepping and see how it works. See if it's gonna blow off for me. Tried to two-step it and hear the blow-off valve actually opening, but all you could really hear is your brain melting from the flames and explosions. So what I'm gonna do a quick burnout, have some fun, might as well, and get those sounds happening. So I can adjust this as well for a soft or hard blow off. I have mine set out in the middle so it'll hold the boost and sound good. I have no idea. It's been a while. I haven't ran one of these bad boys in a while, so we're gonna see how it sounds and see if it's actually holding the boost, because if it's set too soft, it'll let the boost out. So we don't want that, so we gotta test it. Okay, so while I'm doing the burnout, listen for when I let off the throttle and it should go. So that would be my blow off. So listen for that, listen very closely if you have to replay it, but that is the blow off valve working properly. That's fine. Light. No light smoke. No, not good enough. Meanwhile, that whole time it was. You press it in? She couldn't press the clutch in because she's too short, so I did it. Holy crap. Like, you just can't breathe. It's brutal. Alright, so the blow-off valve obviously works, so hope you learned something, and we'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.